I live in Somerton. I've pretty much lived my entire life in northwestern New South Wales. I really feel that this is kind of my place where I belong. There's a kind of a curiosity that I find hard to contain, and there's nothing more joyful than listening to a magpie choral or watching, the generations of willy wagtails in the garden, or just the number of birds that we've been able to invite back into the farm as each row of plantings that we've put in place have developed. The Landcare movement started in the mid to late 80s. I was teaching over at Manila. I thought, wow, this is something I'm really interested in. So went to the meeting, joined the family up. I've been a member ever since. It would have to be getting close to 40 years. I guess it's given me the confidence to begin to understand how the environment around me works. It's also given me friends. It's given me a community of like-minded people. I really value Landcare because I've had this love of biodiversity. I've had this increasing knowledge of the importance of it and how it functions. The environmental services that the insects and spiders and birds that need the understory for shelter, feed and protection from predators is just amazing, but it's missing. It's missing where country's being grazed, it's missing where country's being cultivated. So actually having it fenced off means that it does have a chance of surviving. So that's been one of my catch cries, something I've really championed over the years. I think we've been really fortunate with Tamworth Regional Landcare with the LEP3 because it facilitated the employment of a youth and education officer, someone who can focus on landcare activities, can support staff in schools and inspire them. It doesn't matter where you live, it doesn't matter whether you've got acres or whether you've just got a pot. You can do something. Every little drop adds up to a bucket full. And I think the Landcare bucket is full of so many different opportunities for people to participate and be part of this we movement. We live in an ecosystem, we've just forgotten that. And we really need to go back to basics and sort of see ourselves as taking from the environment, but needing to do something to give back. I'd like to think of the award as being tapped on the shoulder to be an advocate, to be an ambassador for a cause that's really worthwhile and a cause that can bring you a lot of joy, a lot of pleasure and a lot of hope. I think women play an amazingly important part.
She has been such an amazing mentor to myself and the other coordinators. She has been such a fantastic environmental educator in schools over the last 40 years. She's just one of the most incredible women that I know and always has been.
She's always been very, very special in the space of Landcare and even in community. It's like she creates a family here. I think she really has a keen and genuine interest in the Aboriginal perspective. She's very keen to share and to support me as well, support Aboriginal workshops and community engagements.
She's such a kind person and everything that she does with kindness. And it just goes to show that kindness and the things that you do every day makes a difference.
I think Landcare gives you a way of contributing to the betterment of the world and where we live in so many different ways. I think it's a really empowering movement. It's that feeling that you get, and it's being able to use your hands and your head and follow your heart and be able to make those differences in the world around you.